Here's my problem with Islam.
Let's hear your problem with Islam.
Let's be honest, it was not pretty what the Muslims did. Muhammad came with a sword. Jesus came with a towel.
Yet again another blunder, Cliff. Muhammad came with a sword, Jesus came with a towel, guessing that's symbolizing peace. Let's see if the people of 1 Samuel chapter 15 verse 3 had peace. It says, "Now go attack the Amalekites and totally destroy all that belongs to them. Do not spare them. Put to death men, children, women, infants, cattle, and donkeys." Like, what did the donkey even do? What about Hosea chapter 13, where it says, "The people of Samaria must bear their guilt because they have rebelled against their God. They will fall by the sword. Their little ones will be dashed to the ground, and their pregnant women ripped open." What about Deuteronomy chapter 20? Quote, "However, in the cities the Lord your God is giving you as an inheritance, do not leave alive anything that breathes. Completely destroy them as the Lord your God has commanded you." Now, Cliff, you believe that Jesus is the God of the Old Testament. So did Jesus come with a towel, or is Jesus commanding for pregnant women to be ripped open, little children to be killed? You have to answer to that, my friend. Now, regarding the Prophet Muhammad, on whom be peace, coming with a sword, you could have simply just asked Dean Buddy. They would have told you that the Prophet Muhammad, he went on the defensive. He defended himself and he defended his people. He never waged war. It was always in defense. And if you have a problem with that, well, then you're going to have a problem with Luke 19:27, where Jesus says, "Those enemies of mine who did not want me to reign as king over them, bring them here before me and slaughter them." According to you, Jesus on his second coming is going to be slaughtering people that don't want him to be king over them. So let's not be biased, Cliff. Accept the debate that I've offered to you.